Gates open, they're up and racing. Classic Kit Kat draws for your lead. Moving up by the rail is Lucky Quest. Time away, then moving up on the outside. Hama Hit, New Empire, and Empire Princess is the early trailer. About to pass the last 800. Two runners parting it out for the lead. Lucky Quest moving up by the rail. Classic Kit Kat in between runners. Then on the outside, time away. Moving up is to a New Empire. Hama Hit. And trailing the group is Empire Princess as they round at the last 450. Lucky Quest still leading the field. Running in between runners is Classic Kit Kat. Time away. Hama Hit now getting closer in fourth. Then comes New Empire. And down the stretch they come. Lucky Quest this time leading the field by about 2 lengths. Running on the outside is Hama Hit. And down the stretch and leading the finish line, Lucky Quest, Hama Hit, moving up on the outside. Lucky Quest, Hama Hit is on the outside. And finally, Lucky Quest, Hama Hit, time away. Then comes Empire Princess, Classic Kit Kat, and to a New Empire.